Hi, Earthy Man here this afternoon on December the 3rd, and I just want to show you a way that you can enhance your bird feeding station with a certain native plant. This native plant happens to be a Baptisia called white wild indigo, Baptisia leucantha. Now, these bushy-like plants right in front of me here will last a very long time, and these are the dried plants from this summer. If you look closely, you'll see some stems up here that are a little bit longer. See, that's where the seeds were on this plant. These seeds will grow, these white wild indigos, and be at this stage of development in about 3 years. So after they go dormant in the fall, you can break these plants off and insert them into these pots and provide excellent bird cover for your bird feeding station. Isn't that a wonderful idea? How you can use native plants. Earthy Man here, signing off.